You go. You go. Everyone who's injured. Oh wait, I think you're still coagulating him, aren't you? Yeah. There's so much blood. Might as well use it. Nice shot, Div. Alright, these guys are very injured. Just gonna use self-dis. Does he have revival? He does. He's almost dead. These guys are going around. Cows is going after him. You can try to get down here. AG up front. There we go. Oh. Wait, 3 more? Oh, the fire burned out this one, so they will come back. That's good to know. That's actually a better spot, too. Jump over the fire because you'll get scared. Just keep running. And then where's Ivan? Alright, he's coming. Okay, you guys should be good now. So you can leave, except for you. Alright, anyone here that's good? Did I turn him on and off? Did I? Fire's dangerous. Div, you can put the fire out here. Very good. And then, you're getting close, but we can always res you. Oh no, he's dead. And he's dead. Is that all we brought? Is that all we have? Yeah. I think that'll be fine. Shambler's easy. Backside. Artie, you can self-tend. Tend to Artie. Cows, keep going after you. He's dead. Let's put you on him. So he stops shooting. Just consume you. Don't consume the pig. Oh, she doesn't have enough energy. Ooh, fast walker. Everyone else is dead, right? Wait. And then you. Lori's got the wall, right? We block. No, he died. And then you guys killed him too. Whoa, I'm leaning a little bit off them. Lori, you can come over here as well. Oh, okay, they're gonna go for the security door. What's wrong with this one? Escape. Damn, hand cannon's got some range. You guys are pretty damaged, so I might... Who's this guy? 2 hours. Night Owl, body modder, construction, and mining. Oh. Let's get the guys with shields up front. Ooh, I don't know if I want to do that. Prissy is getting... We back up. Yeah, it's back up, back up, back up, back up. Someone just got shot almost. Using self. Okay, no, you guys start firing at these guys. You start firing at this guy. Lori, teleport cows. Oops. There you go, and you. We'll consider it. We're running out of fingers for div. Fucking blasted him in the skull. We really don't care about this fire. Please don't just send everybody over here. And we're gonna put fresh, or no, sorry, rotten through the heart. I need longer range weapons. Okay, let's get you. And then we'll bring you guys up front. Gumpy is using sulfur. Okay. We could do a, let's lob a couple. We're not in the greatest defensive. then to Oliver, and then to you. That's mainly, we could use, yeah, we'll do that because it'll level up his shit. But we, start putting up the fire. You guys can't really do much else. Dead. And you can. Incapacitated, nice. We get to keep him. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And we'll hold that open. And go for you, go for you. Where's Ivan? Let's coagulate his body. Here. Jump behind you. Ooh, that was close. Wait, why is he still firing it? Oh, how? I was hoping fire would be useful, but I think it's actually hurts us more, especially with the 2 vamps. So probably won't use the incendiary again. You guys need to do the long shots. Oh shit! 1 hour. They're really close. Hijinks, what's Hijinks doing? You guys heal up. We need more ghouls. Definitely do work. And oh yeah, we gotta set that to chop. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. You have enough to finish that. Get your ass back here. Ooh, Kylian. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, who's got the... I thought... Yeah, you guys stop firing your fire. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. Front. Ooh. Oh, shit, they're already here? Do we have a Insanity Lance? We do. Who's down? Man, get our 2 snipers. And we'll get all our snipers are on the other side. However, you, sir, we're gonna turn off fire at will because we don't. Wait, where's your... Ooh, that's a... You just fired at a... Uh-oh. Vampire. Get you out of here. Put you in behind. Oh, can I not see? Put you guys here. Boar. Oh, we sniped the guy. Oh shit. What? We full of bodies again? Oh, whoops. We will use herbal on him. Probably should use herbal on everybody. Oops. And then that's gonna be a huge ass fucking fire now. Everybody with close combat now. So we'll get everybody to run down here. So self-resurrect, that's fine. And then gear, we'll drop that since it's useless for you. And those guys are going over that way. Okay, so let's send our Kylian, Shoat down here, Caught can come and grab. Alright, Kylian. You've already healed up. Artie is 10 to Kylian. position. Let's do, you stop here. Lori, Div. Put you here. And you guys fuck him up. This game fucking snipes. Oh. Who's still shooting? Oh, what? Where did this guy come from? I thought we saw the guys here. We need to definitely make these into... They got stunned. Lori, let's get her out of here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Grab sniper as well. Set up here. And we've got 3 hours on the wall. Let's actually move. I think we can kill it. And he just died? Oh, that's right. We caught him with like a split second left. Uh-oh. Chimera. Shambler John. Not Shambler John! Alright, Lou. Now we could res Chop. We do have another res. He is our cleaner. And they're the medic. He lost his right hand. Do I really care about him? And the happy music kicks in, like... Is it for happy? Yeah, let's do it. Jump packs. Who was researching? He does such a good job at cleaning. You guys can get this. Put div Actually, let's move cows right next to this guy. And you can just go to town on him. Already just got smoked. Forgot self-destruct. Alright, and then you come here. You come here. Make sure these. And then Lori. You put on your goddamn shield belt. Where did I go? You hit the masterwork one. I think these guys are all loyal. Death refusal. Yeah, he's just gonna die. And you're just gonna die. Yeah. No tough trait. Nope. Alright, you can rescue him. And cows. Come over here. No, let's not haul him here. Haul him over there. We can bury him. Okay, we're not as strong as I thought we were. It was definitely worrisome. Pardon me. How's it going, DK? You I don't want to hit Ivan. You stay. You fire against Noodles. And then you can't really do much here. You fire. You got one hand. We need you to have your shield. Okay, I think we're gonna make a separate one for close combat people. Okay, everyone else has guns here. No, there's some close combat. Would be a good way to wipe. Back up here. Ooh. Go, 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 go. And then... oh, no, never mind. Shield might be in a rude awakening when he comes out of there. You're back alright, alright? And then you, sir. Fuck, should I resin? Let's bring you up front. Cows. Chop died. Did he get shot in the head? Probably. Ooh. You get ready to beat the shit out of this guy. How come we can't hit these guys? Oh! Glory, wall raise. Just temporarily cut their... So, yeah, we'll cut their... And then where is Ivan? It's neat. I'd like to go back sometime. Yeah, dang, this big hall. Yeah, we're getting up there. Let's put you over here. Oh, is this all the close combat? Oh, this is awesome. Artie, you should probably eat some food. Thank you. And then once everyone got their food, just got back from Vegas. Oh, poor, it didn't do so well. Okay, let's go here, get everybody out. Get you. Ooh, that's not what you want to do. Oh, he went down. Oh, he's back up. The old switcheroo. Get at it. Oh, he's back down. He's gonna self-resurrect. Equip the gun so he can't take it. Ivan is fleeing. Oh, there is a fire. Ooh. Let's move that. Wait, I don't think the fire went off. We might actually be okay. That's pretty crazy. How's it going, final? We'd be good. And then there should be no more... Oh, he's got one more death refusal. How about this guy? Get your ass over here. We'll come back over here and grab that. I don't know if snipers are that great. They're good for very specific things, but I'm gonna start. And then already. Oliver. Did he die again? Did we just one tap him? Yeah, he just died again. So this guy's gonna go around up slowly coming.